Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to explain you how to use shortcut keys to place orders. Okay. So first I select paper trade mode and loading option chain. Now I'm selecting P strike 25600 P, C strike 24300. So okay, strike is selected and lots 5 lots. Now the shortcut key, enable shortcut keys, and selected strike means it will place order on the strike we have selected in C or P field. Okay, and or else it will place automatically select an in the money call or put and place order. Okay, and next key information for buying C we can use Ctrl+1 or Ctrl+4 or Ctrl+7, that is right side of the keyboard, the num key. Okay, and by P by Ctrl+3 or 6 or 9. Okay, and the partial exit field we can use the central column 2, 5 or 8. Okay, and for exiting all we can use Ctrl+0, and here we can mention the how many quantity we gonna exit when we click partial exit. Okay, for example, if we select 5 lots, it will exit 5 lots in the partial field. Okay, now I'm going to place order. First Ctrl+1, it has placed C order, right? Now Ctrl+3, okay, P order is placed. You can see P order. Okay, this is how to place order simply using our shortcut keys. I'm again pressing Ctrl+1. I'm just changing the quantity. Okay. Okay, if you press Ctrl+0, it will exit all. Okay, I hope you understand how to place order. Okay, Ctrl+1 for C order, Ctrl+3 for P order, and if you again Ctrl+1 again Ctrl+3, Ctrl+1, Ctrl+3. Okay, this is how we place orders using the shortcut keys. Okay, and we have set the partial quantity as 5 lots, I think. So Ctrl+2 means it will exit some partial quantity. If you press again it will exit again. Okay, whole quantity is exited. Okay, next option chain. I have disabled option chain. Here if you disable this one and if you place, look at this, the order is placing. I'll quickly the order is placed. Okay, this is how to place orders using shortcut keys. I hope you understand how to place orders using shortcut keys. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. Thank you for watching.